Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. Working on a 2018 Jeep Wrangler 4-door. We did a backup camera here. He has aftermarket rims, so we did the mount here right in the middle of the back tire. And then we do have them available for the factory rims as well. And then basically we kept this he kept this factory radio in here. We interface right into it. So once you put it in the reverse, it shows the lines on here. I'll back up. Once you put it in the drive, automatically goes back to the radio. Put it back in the reverse, goes in reverse. We can add this to your Jeep as well. Give us a call, 904-333-2322. Check us out on Instagram at AudioDesign75.